Have you ever questioned the boundaries between dreams and reality? What if you could consciously navigate the fantastical realms of your dreams? Welcome to the intriguing world of lucid dreaming, where the dreamer becomes the architect of their own nocturnal narratives. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon where an individual is aware that they're dreaming and can actively participate in and manipulate their dream environment. This conscious dream state can provide a unique platform for personal growth, creativity, and self-discovery. So how can you tap into this fascinating state of consciousness? The journey to lucid dreaming can be broken down into 5 manageable steps. Step 1. Cultivate dream recall. The first step towards lucid dreaming is to remember your dreams. Keep a dream journal, where you jot down your dreams as soon as you wake up. This not only improves your dream recall, but also familiarizes you with your personal dream patterns. Step 2. Reality checks. These are techniques used to determine whether you're dreaming or awake. Popular reality checks include trying to push your finger through your palm or checking the time on a clock twice in quick succession. In dreams, these actions often yield unusual results. Step 3. Mnemonic induction of lucid dreams or mild. As you fall asleep, repeat a mantra such as, "I will know that I'm dreaming." This technique utilizes prospective memory, reminding you to recognize that you're dreaming. Step 4. Wake back to bed or WBTB. This involves waking up after 5 or 6 hours of sleep, staying awake for a while, and then going back to sleep. This increases the chances of entering a REM sleep phase, where dreams are more vivid and thus easier to become aware of. Step 5. Dream plan. Once you've begun to experience lucid dreams, create a dream plan. This could be a list of things you want to do or experiences you want to have in your dreams. This helps to maintain lucidity and guide the dream narrative. In summary, lucid dreaming is a conscious state where the dreamer is aware that they're dreaming and can control their dream environment. Achieving lucid dreaming involves 5 key steps: cultivating dream recall, performing reality checks, utilizing the mild technique, employing the WBTB method, and creating a dream plan. Remember, lucid dreaming is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. So, be patient with yourself. The journey towards mastering lucid dreaming can be as enlightening as the dreams themselves. So, dream on, adventurers of the subconscious. Embrace the challenge and embark on a journey to the heart of your dreams, where reality bends to the whims of your imagination. The realm of lucid dreaming awaits you.